Hello to all dear students. So now here we'll be studying about relationship between dose and duration of activity of a drug following single IV bolus injection. Means if we double the dose of the drug, there will be doubling in the duration of activity of drug or not. So, assuming a drug given via intravenous dose, the concentration of the drug in the body is following one compartment model, which will be described by this equation log of C equals to log C naught minus KT divided by 2.3. You know this equation. In our previous video we have used this equation. Now solving it for t, we want the duration of activity t. So t is equals to 2.3 into log of C naught minus log of C whole divided by k. Let this be equation number 1. Now t, instead of t we can write t effective, t and small eff, that is duration of activity. T effective equals to 2.3 into log of C naught minus, instead of C we will write log of C effective divided by k. Here log of C effective, what we are writing, C effective, it means minimal effective concentration. Okay, C effective implies minimum effective concentration. So what we have written over here, instead of C we are writing C effective. Now T effective equals to 2.3 into log of, instead of C naught we can write D naught, that is dose divided by volume of distribution minus log of C effective divided by k. So we got this relationship. So some practical applications are suggested by this particular equation. For example, a doubling of the dose will not result in doubling of the effective duration of pharmacological action. On the other hand, a doubling of the half-life, that is T half-life, by doubling the half-life of the drug or by increasing the half-life of the drug or by decreasing the elimination rate of a drug, it may cause an increase or almost doubling of the duration of activity or effective duration of activity. Now there is some clinical situation often encountered in treatment of certain infections, like you gave any drug which is a kind of bactericidal drug, and this bactericidal concentration of the drug, and in order to double the duration of this antibiotic, a considerably greater increase than simply doubling of the dose is necessary. Means if we want to increase the activity, if we want to increase the duration of activity of this bactericidal drug, it cannot be doubled by simply doubling the dose of the drug. So we need to opt for either doubling or increasing the half-life of the drug or by decreasing the elimination rate of the drug, because simply doubling the dose of the drug will not result in doubling of the duration of activity of the drug.